flying to Denver, making a connection, going on to Las Vegas. Flying out of Las Vegas in the Citation XLS at 11 a.m. non-stop to St. Louis. Now, actually be 2 hours and 50 minutes.
Arm doors and cross check for pushback, please.
Activate the flow of oxygen, pull down in the back.
Okay, one more flight, Denver to Los Angeles, hour and a half. Hour to get over, take care of their plane, get in the air, then 3 hours back to St. Louis. This little thing's up here. Yeah, there's Chinese for breakfast there. There must be a bottleneck. This flight's supposed to be full. Hour and a half to go. They're all the stuff. Yeah. All right, time to get a taxi over to Atlantic now.
Nowadays, all these young kids that come in, they don't gamble. That's the problem. You know, they will, those.
We're gonna wait for the low brake pressure anti-skid to go out. It's out. Brake is set. On the left side panel, we've got a battery disconnect switch. That's for use during an engine start if you get a stuck start relay. It'll disengage the battery and it'll stop that starter from spinning. The one right below it is the electrical master for the cabin. It would use that if we had smoke or fire in the cabin. And that would depower all the electrical equipment in the cabin. Okay, we got fuel. We're ready to go. Just need some passengers. 1 hour to go.
Tango X-ray, got one lander here. We'll get you out.
1007 Tango X-ray, thank you.
Did he clear us to land?
Yeah, he did.
He did?
I'm at 107 Tango X-ray, runway 26 left at Alpha 2, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 26 left, 107 Tango X-ray.
Yaws away.
Number 67 Mike, turn right at Alpha 6, safe parking.
1167 Mike, parking at the County T's, turning right at Alpha 6.
Number 67 Mike, roger, taxi to the County T's via taxiway Alpha, remain this frequency.
Okay, we'll remain this frequency to the County T's.
Oh, did you call?
No, I didn't. I'll wait till we get
A
on the
little
ground
late now.
Yeah, that's okay. Tower Lake Team 3, spot 1 for Orland Springs.
Team 3, Spirit Tower, westbound departure
Speed
between
break,
the parallel
please.
taxiways
Extend
is
it.
approved. When calm, I will call your on-course turn.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for the likes and comments. And if you made it this far, you need to subscribe. That way you'll find out about future videos coming out. And if you want to buy me a cup of coffee, you can always toss a buck in my Patreon. I appreciate everything. You guys keep the blue side up, the brown side down, and fly safe. And as always, be good.